So, shares and dividends. Let us continue with that shares and dividends, and we'll be doing problems as I said. Now, first question is, please refer to my introduction class about shares and dividends. What is that? Our basics part we have discussed in that. Now, I am going to teach you some small problems or small questions. The first one is, face value of the share is just, I want to give you a brief introduction about how the problems will be. Brief introduction about how the problems will be. Based on that, we will do some higher problems. If you do small problems only, shares and dividend, then only you can do big problems. Directly you cannot do big problems. So, share value is 50, means face value is 50, and the dividend declared is 20%. What is the dividend? Once again, this is the basic question, basic part. Dividend is nothing but income, right? Income percentage is given 20. Income is asking, face value is 50. Always remember, whatever the income we are getting, that company will pay. That means I started the business, I said no just now, I will pay the business, I will pay the income for my friend. Not that my friend will pay for me income. Because he invested money on my company, I should pay something. Say that he purchased, same example you take, he purchased face value, he purchased the share which is of 50 rupees, and the condition is like this, income percentage. He wants to know how much, he will ask me how much income I will get. 20% is given discount. This is calculated at the end of the year. What I will do is how much income I have got, based on that I should give to all of them. This is a continuation of that what we have discussed in introduction class. Income percentage is always is given at the end of the year to all the people who have invested their money in the company. And if the company is in loss, they may not get that income also. Please make a note of it. So it is a chance that if you put money, you may get income or you may not get income, but the trust should be there. So here dividend is 20% given and income is asking. What is the meaning of this is, 100 rupees face value is there, I will get income 20. Simple. 20%. 20% means if the face value is 100, I will get income of 20 rupees. Now if the face value is 50, how much? Face value is 50. 50 into 20 by 100. 10 rupees. Like that. But we have to not doing this. Simply 20 by 100 into 50. What I am saying is, when dividend percentage is given and face value is given, if they are asking dividend income means, simply you need to do 20, remove this percentage symbol, basics into 50 of it, like that. This is one of the basic part of the dividend, shares and dividend. Next question. Now I will describe some of the formula involved in this. First formula, number of shares into each share is equal to total investment. Just in introduction class I have told, no, number of shares into each share is nothing but total investment. Total investment, how much you are putting, you get these things, you should know it in the coming classes when you do the problem. Second one, rate percentage given by company. Very very important. This is nothing but dividend by face value into 100. Rate percentage given by the company. Look at this word, given by the company. This is always calculated based on face value, not the market price. Next, rate percentage of the shareholder. Shareholder means which I am holding the share, is nothing but how I will get it. It is nothing but dividend by market price. Here it is market price. Please make a note of it. Very very important, children. Right. Rate percentage given by the company is dividend by face value into 100. This is another rate percentage equal to dividend by market price into 100. But why we are writing like this? Actually, what is the need is they will ask, they will give rate percentage of the shareholder and dividend. They may ask you to calculate market price. What is the market price? Here they will give rate percent. They will give face value. They will give face value. They will ask income, like that. These are the various type of formula in this. Next, one more thing. Dividend percentage, that means income percentage, is nothing but total income by dividend. Dividend percentage means income percentage. How will you calculate? How much you are putting in the company, dividend divided by total amount you are putting in the company will give dividend percentage. This obviously you can, while solving the problems, it will come automatically, so you need not by heart this one. Dividend percentage is nothing but dividend by total investment. They may ask income percentage, they may use the other word income percentage, so you have to use this one. Right, that's it. Next, and one of the last important topic, or one of the last formula, dividend is equal to discount percentage, dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. This is another one. How will you get dividend is discount dividend percentage of face value, or you can write discount percentage of, you can ignore it, discount percentage face value into number of shares. How many shares you are purchasing? Number of shares means again this basic number of shares. How will you get total investment by each share, like that? This is very very important. Each and every problem will be using this one, but you need to understand discount dividend percentage of face value. First example what we have discussed is this one only, right? These 3, 4, 5, these 5 conditions are there. Based on this you can do problems. Let us do the problem. Please make a note of this, all this, then we will be doing problems. First one, find the cost of 100 shares. Find the cost of 100 shares of rupees 25 each at premium 15. So here question is not possible to write on this board because it will only take a lot of time. So I will just read out the question for you twice to make you understand perfectly, and we will finish the problem. So in order to do this shares and dividends, what you required is first to understand the problem clearly. What are the given conditions, what we should find? Very very important. What is given, what we have to find, what are all the conditions given, write it in one column. What we have to find, write it in another column. Then some, in huge or some big problems, we may be doing some 3 or 4 cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, and it will follow one after the other, like that. So once again, read the question twice, thrice, write the conditions, what is given, then only attempt the problem. Without reading the question with half knowledge, array what is given, you cannot solve this problem. And percentages, already I said, percentages you should have perfect knowledge, perfect grip over the subject of percentages. And my best suggestion is always calculate out of 100. Out of 100 how much? So now let's begin. Let us come back to this problem. Find the cost of 100 shares of rupees 25 each at 15 premium. What are given conditions? First you write down. He is asking 100 shares of rupees 25, means face value of each share is rupees 25. They have used the word premium at 15. So what is the meaning of this? What you understood? Just now I told in the basics, in the introductory class, if premium is there, then obviously market price will be more. So therefore market price is equal to 25 plus 15, 40. If the face value is 25, market price is 40 of each share. Now he is asking 100 shares. Each share is 40, 100 shares. Total investment 100 shares. Total 100 shares how much? 4,000 rupees. Simple, that's it. Once again, find the cost of 100 shares of rupees 25 each at 15 premium. Next, another question. These problems are based on brokerage, or in the coming classes, or in nowadays they are asking income tax, how much income tax you have to pay. That is also same. Income tax, brokerage means extra additional income you have to pay from your pocket. Now second question. Find the dividend received on 150 shares. Find the dividend received on 150 shares of rupees 10 each if 8% dividend is declared. Listen the question carefully. Find the dividend received on 150 shares. 150 shares, he is asking what will be the income of the face value given as 10 and 8% is the dividend given. What I said just now, write all the given conditions. Number of shares. How many number of shares? 150. Next. Face value of each share how much? Rupees 10. Next. Dividend is equal to 8%. These are the conditions given. What is asking? Find the dividend received. Income. Dividend is nothing but income. Just now I have written one formula. Simply you need to plug in the values. That's it. Plug in means keep the values on that. Dividend is equal to discount face value into number of shares. So here time factor is also very important, students. So yeah, you need to do little bit faster. Discount percentage given as 8. 800 into face value of each one is 10 into number of shares 150. Here 1 2 zeros 2 zeros 15 8 is 120. So dividend is 120 rupees. Just I put the given conditions in the formula and got it the answer. That's it. So how we got division percentages are all I have explained already in basics. Please refer it. And the very first problem which we have done is like this, based on this one. There ends the problem. Another one. The market price of each share of DCM is 79, something like that. Ashok wants to purchase 200 shares. The market price of each one of DCM is 79. Ashok wants to purchase 2000 shares. Find the amount he will have to pay if the brokerage is rupees 1 per share. Means what is given market price of a share is DCM of market price of share is 79. Ashok wants to purchase 200 shares. He wants to purchase 200 shares. Find the amount you will have to pay if the brokerage is 1 per share. Brokerage is 1 per share. So if you want to purchase 1 share, you have to pay extra broker 1 rupee you have to pay for broker. Now market price is 79. Since we have to give one share to him, so total will be 89. The market price of each share. Now market price of each share is 80. So how many shares? 200 shares. 200 into 80. That's it. Next, another question. How much money would be realized by selling 96 100 rupees shares quoted at rupees 98? Quoted means here face value. Once again, how much money would be realized by selling 96 rupees 90 shares quoted at rupees 98? For this problem, quoted at rupees 98 means market price. Face value of each share is 100. How much money would be realized by selling 96 shares? What is the meaning of this? Face value. First write down what is the value. Face value is rupees 100. 100 shares quoted at rupees 98. Quoted means here face value is here 98, market price is 98. How much money would be realized by selling 96 shares? He is asking, if you sell 96 shares, what will be the value? That's all. Here clearly it is given 100 shares is given, rupees 100 shares. So selling of 90, how much is 96 is there. So market price 98, face value is 100. How much money would be realized by selling 96 shares? 96 into 98, because each value is 98 market price. So selling, he wants to sell 96 into 98, which is nothing but 9408. This is another type. Next, how much money is required to purchase 250 shares of rupees 10 each at 5 premium? Again same question. How much money is required to purchase 250 shares? 250 shares. Each share is rupees 10 at 5 premium. So premium is 5. That means market price is equal to 15. If the market price is 15, 250 shares are there. Simply total investment, total money, 15 into 250. 15 into 250. How much money is required? You required this much of money. Just do it. That's it. So in the coming classes, we'll be doing more problems. For now, we will end the session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.